Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode derivation, that is in 921. Minimum I had to make valid parenthesis, and a parenthesis string is valid if and only if it is the empty string, and it can be written as A concatenated with B, where A and B are valid strings, or it can be written as in brackets A, where A is a valid string. And we'll be given a parenthesis string S. In one move we can insert a parenthesis at any position of the string. For example, if s is equal to an opening and closing and then two closing brackets, we can insert an opening parenthesis to be or a closing parenthesis to be like they have mentioned. So, and we have to return the minimum number of steps, minimum number of moves required to make s valid. For example, in this example, we are having already a valid pair of parentheses, and we just need one opening bracket so we can match it with closing, and we'll be having a valid parenthesis, so the answer comes out to be 1. And in the next one we are having three opening brackets but no closing brackets, so if we'll just add three closing brackets, then we'll be having our answer, which is 3. Okay, so it's a whole of a game of opening and closings. For every opening we need to have at least one closing, we need to have a closing bracket no matter at least or not. Okay, so let's have two variables that are open and close. So for then we'll be traversing in the string for char ch and s dot to character array. What I'll be doing is I'll be checking that if my current character is equal to a opening bracket. In this case I'll have to do a open plus plus. Else I'll be checking that, else firstly I need to basically then it means that it's a closing bracket. Then I'll be checking that if my open is greater than 0, that means I'm having a corresponding opening bracket for this closing bracket. So I'll be doing a open minus minus. Else I'll have to do a close plus plus, because we need then a closing bracket as well. And at the end my return answer would be number of opening brackets required plus number of closing brackets required. Okay, now let's give it a run, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and it works perfectly fine as well. Okay, so this would be it. Thank you for watching.